Hi, welcome to a virtual tour of the Marshall County Recycling Hub located in beautiful Lewisburg, Tennessee. In front of you, you see one of our skid loaders loading recyclables onto a conveyor. They feed through our bag splitter, which opens the bags, making sorting the recyclables a lot more efficient. They are then sent up a vertical conveyor where they fall onto our pre-sort platform. That's where our tour begins. On our pre-sort line, workers are pulling out cardboard and trash to deposit them into the bins below. We hope that no trash or cardboard makes it any further in the process. After pre-sort, everything falls onto our brand new paper screen. This screen is made up of a series of rollers that have different sized gaps between them. More on that in a minute. It is designed so paper rides up the rollers onto our paper line, and containers such as bottles and cans fall down onto our container line. Remember those small gaps between the rollers? Well, that's where all the shredded paper, needles, and glass fragments fall and get kicked out where they can be disposed of safely. On the paper line, there's someone doing quality control to pull out cardboard, plastic, and any containers that ride up the screen. The rest of the paper goes into our second bin that gets baled together as mixed paper. The containers ride up the vertical conveyor and fall onto our container line, where quality control picks out cardboard or paper. Then we hand sort paper cartons such as milk or juice cartons. Then we sort number 2 plastics such as milk jugs, number 1 plastics such as soda or water bottles, and then we finally hand sort aluminum cans. Then we have a magnetic belt that sorts out our steel cans, and then finally all of the number 3 through 7 plastic falls off the end to be baled together later. Marshall County Recycling Hub takes in 125 tons a week from Marshall County, Lewisburg, Franklin, Spring Hill, Columbia, and Giles County. Did you know the average American uses 650 pounds of paper a year? 1 ton of paper from recycled pulp saves 17 trees, 3 cubic yards of landfill space, 7,000 gallons of water, and enough energy to heat a home for half a year. Recycling 1 soda can saves 96% of the energy used to make a can from ore. 1 aluminum can can go from the recycling bin to the store shelf in as little as 6 weeks. The EPA estimates that 75% of the American waste stream is recyclable, but we only recycle about 30% of it. When a bin fills up, it is pushed onto our floor conveyor, where it rides up and falls into the baler where it is baled. 1 bale of number 1 plastic bottles contains about 30 to 40,000 bottles. After baling, it is put into storage, waiting to be shipped off, recycled. We hope that you know a little bit more about where your recyclables go after you kick them to the curb, and you recycle more in the future. For all of us at Marshall County Solid Waste and Recycling Hub, thanks for watching.